right, Scott Taylor. Thank you so much, dude, for purchasing one of our Tech in a Box kits. Can you hold it up real quick and show me what you got real fast?
Yeah.
So yeah, all the tools required. You got the replacement capacitor unit running right now?
It is.
All right. If you could just shut off the outdoor unit, I think the disconnect box is back there behind the unit.
Okay.
This whole process only took Scott about 5 minutes with the help from HVAC Double Agent. Disclaimer: we do not recommend trying this without the help and guidance of a professional like us.
All right. That's all done.
All right, awesome. Now, Scott, just as a safety measure, I know you got your phone on the tripod because you were helping me out, but will you grab it and just put it up close to the capacitor so I can verify everything's wired up properly?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so we got yellow to common. Beautiful. All right, well, let's go ahead and flip power back on and
Okay.
see if this thing gets up and running for you. Excellent.
I think we're good.
Cool. Awesome. Appreciate you, Scott.
Hey, man, I appreciate you. That was super easy.
Yeah, enjoy that cold air, brother.
All right, man. Thank you.